It's 2025, and if you're still using Loom for all of your SaaS product demos, you're falling behind. Loom was built for quick async updates. It was never meant to be your product demo strategy, yet somehow SaaS teams are still using it to sell, onboard, and support customers. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 reasons why to stop using Loom for SaaS demos and why Supademo is the tool your team actually needs if you want to close deals faster, convert leads better, and onboard users at scale. Stick around for reason number 5 because it's the one that no video tool, not even Loom, can touch. Let's get into it. All right, reason number 1, Loom is static. It's a generic one-way video monologue. That's it. You talk, you click around, and your viewer just watches. But they can't touch anything. They can't explore. It's like watching someone else use the product for you. That's if you maintain their attention, of course. Supademo flips that. It gives users a clickable, hands-on replica of your product. They go through features and workflow step by step at their own pace, actually experiencing how it works. It's not just more engaging, it's more effective. Because when people interact, they learn faster and they're way more likely to take action and adopt your product. Reason number 2, it's all about personalization. Let's say you want to tailor your demo for a different audience, language, or use case. With Loom, that means recording another video every single time. Supademo relieves you of this burden. You can personalize it using variables like someone's name, company, or use case. You can even show different demo paths based on who's watching. So whether it's a founder, a marketer, or a sales engineer, they each get a version that speaks directly to them. One demo, multiple experiences, and no extra work. Reason number 3 is tracking. You send a Loom and that's kind of where it ends. You don't know if they watched it, skipped it, or bounced halfway through. You're flying blind. Supademo gives you full visibility. You can see who watched, how far they got, where they clicked, and where they dropped off. You can even track their browser, session length, and city to help you focus on the highest intent leads. That means you're not guessing what works. You're optimizing with real data. The feedback loop is how you start turning demos into a serious growth lever. Reason number 4 is updates and edits. Loom is great until you need to change something. One new feature, a UI or design tweak, next thing you know, you're re-recording the whole thing again. Scripting, memorizing, re-recording, all of it. Supademo saves you from that. You can update steps, swap out screens, or add new paths in minutes without starting from scratch or changing the URL. And here's where it gets better. Supademo has built-in AI tools that help you auto-generate text, translate your demos into multiple languages, and even add AI voiceovers without touching a mic or writing a script. You're not just editing faster, you're scaling content without extra work. And finally, reason number 5 is all about the customer experience. Loom is awesome for internal stuff like async stand-ups and quick feedback, but for your customers, it falls flat. Supademo is built for go-to-market teams. You can embed it on your site, drop it into onboarding emails, use it in help docs, sales decks, even post-call follow-ups. Wherever your customer is, Supademo fits. And it doesn't just show them what your product does, it lets them feel it. And this is what drives conversions. So here's the bottom line. Loom can help you with a lot of things. It's an amazing tool, but it's less than ideal for SaaS product demos. Supademo gives you something Loom can't. Product demos that are interactive, personalized, trackable, editable, and scalable with AI. And the best part, you can get started right now. No credit card required. Just click the first link in the description and try it for yourself. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no-fluff breakdowns like this. And if you want to see how Supademo can help you crush onboarding or sales enablement, check out the next video on screen. I'll see you there.